Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm talking to you about the curl bundle in which there is a shampoo, a conditioner and a curl.
So the bundle contains a shampoo, a conditioner and a curl defining cream. So today we will talk about clarifying shampoo first. So if you follow Curlygal method, you must use sulfate free shampoo, and then you also know that sulfate free shampoos are mild for your hair. So when you use different styling products, we tend to create buildup on our hair or scalp. So to remove them, we need to use a clarifying shampoo. They cut through product buildup and oils to leave our hair super clean. It creates a blank canvas for our hair to style afterwards. There are specific clarifying shampoos available in the market, but I don't have anyone, so I'm gonna use this one only. So now you ask how often to use a clarifying shampoo. So if you use a lot of styling products, then you can use a clarifying shampoo every alternate week. I personally clarify my hair twice a month. It totally depends on an individual hair or scalp, how much product they use and how much buildup they get. So you need to play around with your hair to understand its needs properly. If you are someone who generally use sulfate free shampoos and do not use any styling product, then also I would recommend to use a sulfate shampoo once a month at least to clarify your scalp properly. So now we'll start with the curl up routine. So the shampoo is of milky texture and it's a curl moisturizing shampoo. So the shampoo says that it's a coconut based cleanser with argan oil that gently cleanses and adds moisture to curly hair and is sulfate, paraben and silicone free. So my hair was so much moisturized after washing my hair with the shampoo for the first time only. It was not dry, not stringy, or even it wasn't frizzy at all. You can see my first time result in my first video. So the shampoo does a great job at cleaning the scalp without drying out my hair. It leaves my hair super moisturized, and the fun fact is I only need 1 to 2 pumps of the shampoo, not more than that, because it lathers so well with 1 pump of it only. And the fragrance is totally coconut. It can bother some people as it's strong, but I don't have any issues with that. So now it's time for curl hydrating conditioner. So the conditioner says that it has argan oil and chia seed extract, help detangle, strengthen and add moisture to curly hair, and is sulfate, paraben and silicone free. So the conditioner is not too thick, not too runny. So the conditioner helps in detangling my hair. It's not super slippery, but it gets the job done perfectly. It leaves my curls hydrated as it claims. I use a good amount of it. And it's normal if your hair is shedding, so don't worry. If it's not over shredding, then it's fine. And the fragrance is kinda same like the shampoo, so overall I love the conditioner as well. Just going to keep it for 10 minutes. So yeah. So after 10 minutes, I'm going to detangle my hair with a white tooth comb and wash it off. So now I'm just taking my regular cotton t-shirt to scrunch out the excess water. So now it's time for styling product. So this is a curl defining cream in which there is argan oil flaxseed extract, helps reduce frizz, define and add shine to curly hair. And it's little bit on a thicker side but not too thick. It's thicker than the conditioner consistency. So the styling cream helps me in having a moisturized defined curls. It has low to medium hold, but it stays very well on my hair at least for 1 to 2 days. But I usually refresh my hair next day with water and some cream, especially in my crown area. I need to refresh the next day. It's really soft on my hair and doesn't weigh down my hair at all. It leaves my hair volumized and bouncy. It leaves my hair moisturized, soft and bouncy so much. It doesn't leave any hard cast around my hair or doesn't make my hair stringy or anything. It leaves my hair super soft and bouncy. I just love the product. Just wish it had a little strong hold so it would last for more days. So you can wear it alone only, or you can add any gel for extra hold. It really helps in taming the frizz as well for my hair. So I have just partitioned my hair as I'm new to CGM, so I just tried different styling methods. So I have just partitioned and just scrunching by taking some water and the product so that I don't get flat root, which I usually get. So I'm just trying different techniques. You can also use a cotton t-shirt to scrunch nicely. So now you can leave your hair to air dry, or you can diffuse it. So I have air dried my hair for 30 minutes so that a light cast is formed. So now I'm just hover diffusing my hair, and video on diffuser will be super soon. So first I have just hover diffused it, and now I'm just wiggling my scalp for the volume after it's dried. So yeah, so that's the hair I got today. I just really get tired after diffusing my hair. So I'm just wiggling my roots and wiggling the scalp to get volume. So yeah, I just love using this bundle because it really gives me moisturized, soft, bouncy, voluminous curls that I want. Just a con would be that it doesn't give you a strong hold or anything. You can also use it alone also because it has really like soft hold and everything, so it won't be a problem that much. You might feel that my hair is dry on the crown area. It's because I clarified today and didn't deep conditioned as well, so it's really like too much fluffy. Otherwise I love this product. So I have reviewed other brands as well in my previous videos, but after I started using this bundle, I have never used those brands ever. So I really love this bundle. If you are starting your CGM journey, I would highly recommend you this bundle because the shampoo is superb, the conditioner is so much moisturizing, and you will also get a styling product. So that's a win-win. So yeah, I would totally recommend if you are a newbie or if you are a old koi bhi. So the shampoo is curl moisturizing shampoo. So it clearly mentions in the bottle that it will provide moisture to your hair. So obviously curly hair love moisture because they are literally dry, like the ends are really dry. So yeah, so it's good that your product contains moisture. So it's a moisture shampoo, and really I can feel the moisture after washing my hair. It doesn't strip out the essential oils or anything. I just love the shampoo, the conditioner and the cream. I just love the whole line, and it won't strip out your hair. Like, I would really recommend this. I just love this brand. Like, this is my first time I'm using, like today is the 4th or 5th wash I'm like using these products, but the first day I used them I just fell in love with them. I'm not going to use any other products I have. I'm just going to stick with them because it really suits me. It helps me with moisture, frizz and everything. So definitely give it a try. This shampoo really is moisturizing. It won't strip out your hair or leave them dry. And the conditioner is also very good. It is creamy texture, it's thick, and it's like it is curl hydrating conditioner, and it does what it says. It is hydrating conditioner. It hydrates my curls. Like, my curls don't feel dry afterwards. So it helps me with detangling as well. So I just love this line altogether. I don't know how many times I'm going to say this, but this won't dry you out, this won't dry you out, neither the styling product. So this is curl defining cream, and I don't know, I think they contain protein and all of that thing. So my hair is loving this line altogether. So conditioner is good, shampoo is good, and the cream is good. So the music on this video was made by my brother, so don't forget to check him out. Links will be in the description below. So yeah, that's all for today's video. Hope you like this video and found this video informative. And if you do so, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and do share it with your curly heads. Till then, bye.